We get set to rumble with Troy Wheeler and the gang for the opening race of the weekend for the NZ Super Trucks. And Hess is back. How are you, chap?
Good, matey. Good. Just ready to see these big rigs roll again. At 100 mile an hour down that back straight and around the corner and up onto the front straight down here. And we've got that shifty little corner down here just at the end of the front straight. Clint was just telling me that there was a couple of cars hit that where the new seal and the old seal meet, and just lost it a little bit and ended up in the grass. So it'll be interesting to see how these big rigs go in this change of warmer weather.
You also gave us a bit of details about the tyres they're running.
Yeah, the tyres they run are a Goodyear brand. They're made in Luxembourg, Germany. They're a special race tyre for the trucks, and they last about a meeting. So.
And they're filled with nitrogen, because I didn't realise this with my job as a fleet manager at Albany and Toronto. We've delivered a couple of high ace fans or Hiluxes, have the air and the water sucked out of the tyres, because when they get hot, the water expands, so the tyres get hot and the pressure can change. So like Formula One, they put nitrogen in certain road tyres. In Formula One, they put nitrogen in their tyres because it's going to have the same temperature, even